Wow, we just received an amazing 5-star review from one of our new happy customers. They were so excited about our great customer service, they went online and left this fantastic review. Here's what they had to say.
As a person who uses reviews, comments, and posts as to who I want to do business with, I wanted to make sure I did this post for the excellent service I received. I dropped a very expensive piece of jewelry in my bathroom sink and was stressed that it would be lost. I immediately called Ricky at Acts of Service Plumbing in Owasso, solely based on his posts, and he was able to come out to my home quickly and provided the utmost professionalism, and was able to not only retrieve my earring, but was able to fix a problem I had with my toilet that I hadn't counted on him doing with the initial call.
5-star reviews are great, but our goal is to keep earning those reviews. Let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star reviews. So why wait? Call us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.